Here's the 2 ways to use word wrap in Google Doc sheet. Let's see one by one for single row or all column at once. First, here I am selecting a row that I want to wrap into the column. Now, go to the Format menu and click on the Wrapping option. And then select Wrap. That's it. Now, use the shortcut tool in a Google Doc. First, select the row inside the column. Here's the wrap icon, click on it, and that's it. Now the second method is to apply all rows in a wrap. Select a column from the top of the sheet and use the wrap option. Now we can resize according to space without change in text wrapping. That's easy 2 ways to use wrapping in Google Doc.